Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a couple examples of the GEISSELE Automatics supercharging handle, and these are in anodized black color. And the supercharging handle is a drop-in replacement for the charging handle on the AR-15, M-4, also M-16 type of platforms. Just for reference, this is a mil-spec style of charging handle, dimensionally similar to the drop-in replacement, but the uh, top components are the variation. Also, if we take a quick look down at this area, you can see the top protruding shapes there on the top of the forward end of the charging handle are also different as well. One has a wider base but lower profile versus the mil-spec shorter uh, uh, base circumference or perimeter and a higher profile. As you can see also from the side, variances in thousandths of an inch. If we look at the undersides real quick, the grab portion is exactly the same size, as well as some of the guide uh, protrusions. The channel is the same dimension. The grab portion is where the variations occur. I'll let you look at that first, and then we'll actually look at these placards for the feature set difference. You can also see the markings on the handle. So I set that aside right now. Supercharging handle, the part number, and then a patent for GEISSELE, their logo at the top. And if we bring this up for comparison, GEISSELE Automatics, so you can see here, patented ambidextrous design. So we have now, instead of just one single latch on the mil-spec side to, as you can see, lever and release this catch point, we will have the same catch point, but now with two handles, one on this side and then linked the one on this side. So those ambidextrous. Tank tread checkered levers. So you can see there the texturing on the levers there versus the mil-spec surface on the handle here is a lot smaller, almost planar surface. Let's see the type of hard coat anodizing, aircraft grade aluminum for the construction and compatibility, of course, with the M16 as well. You can see a couple of different examples in coloration there. I did do a video on some of the, I believe, bronze or dark earth coyote style. Feel free to check that out. Try to put the link in the description. And you can see here a description text-wise of the features here. They even mention that the levers are dual contoured, similar to that of the charging handle of an M-14 rifle. Interesting. And the tank treads, aid to use when operating with gloves. Heightened rear lip of the SCH aids in mitigating gas blowback. So you can see here, this raised area. And then this is the user's perspective. You can see the raised area there versus the flat surface on the mil-spec. So that's interesting. Feature to take note of. Some social media. A little bit of statement there. Contact info at the time and barcode and another logo. Proudly made in Pennsylvania. There you go. And in the back, some kind of watermarking type of illustration of the handle at an angle, and also a shadow type of outline there. Let me just have a couple examples. To show you how these actually would interface, so I just happen to have a SLR Rifle Works bolt carrier here. Normal mil-spec would interface here and draw the whole assembly backwards, versus the supercharging handle would go similarly over the gas key end here and pull backwards. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one was SLR in conjunction with nitride systems. I'm probably going to do a separate video on that. Likewise, we use this one on this example of a nice chromed bolt carrier group here. A little bit more bling on this side. You see how it interfaces there as well. So, just a couple examples to look at of the GEISSELE Automatics supercharging handle, which is AR-15 M-4 platform compatible, also M-16 as well. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos and also a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.